have to say for yourself?
Well, if you're not having fun at work, you're doing it all wrong. All right, well, the first maintenance on the Cherokee for like a year. We did a little trimming on the fender over here, but we still haven't got that fender flare on there. We're getting close. But I think I got a U-joint squeaking, so we may put it in the air and see what we can figure out with that. I think this joint's bad. It was hot. Well, we got a little repair here on that shock mount. It's kind of moved around, so I put a heat shield up there. We're gonna do a little welding up here by that plastic gas tank just for fun, see how she goes. All right, we're down to the shop today. We've got a few little projects going. Got Matt's Jeep out there. We got to get dialed up for the weekend adventures at Winter 4 Before Jamboree. And I got my Cherokee down here. We've got to take this XD 9000i off and put a nice new worn winch on the front of this old Jeep. We use a lot of worn products, factor 55 ultra hook and a few things, but we use this stuff hard and we count on it to work when we need it. So shout out to Warren and factor 55 for always keeping my stuff in tip-top shape. We're gonna get this old winch off of here and put the new one on there, and we'll show you what we got going on today. Oh yeah, the bolts right here is all this really needs to get that winch out of there, but some hero put them on tighter than tight. Yeah. Oh shiminy. Colby tight? They're Colby tight, that's for sure. Some Shira put them on there. 4 little bolts. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, did you see that? I used a non-impact socket on that baby. Can't have that. This old XD 9000i I sure put in a lot of work. Lots of winch and lots of snatch block work, you name it, it's done it. It has been a dang good stinking winch, that's for sure. The old snap ring pliers are going on this job. Guy from Factor 55 probably carried a pack of these. Look at that little baby comes out of there. That old clip. And there you go. Got your ultra hook right off of there. Easy peasy beautiful. So you can see it's got a little wear from the cable in there over the years. I've had a couple different winches on this, but they've both been XD 9000i's. They've been wonderful winch. That's a high speed one. So sneak over here, show you what we're gonna put on it. You won't believe it. What do we got there? We got a Warren Xeon Platinum 10S. Be a dang good winch. This is exciting stuff right here. Wouldn't you agree? see what we got in here. This thing's a thing of absolute beauty, I must say. I peeked at it the other day, so don't let me fool you that I haven't seen it, because I have definitely seen this baby in the flesh already. Look at that thing. I don't even know if it'll fit in my bumper. I haven't tested it yet. We might have to be doing some trimming. Oh my hell, it's heavy. Gonna fit in there? Get rid of them stupid cheesy lights, it might. You know, little cameramen aren't very good help. I'm kidding. Keep your hands to yourself. Don't use slime. Don't you leave no slimy stuff on that brand new winch. Look at that thing. I've just exceeded the value of my Jeep with that winch. And if you think I'm kidding, wow, that thing is pretty. That thing is beautiful. Look at that. I've got a couple coming for the Nodwell. I got a 20K long drum, holds 245 feet of cable coming for the 5-ton. And then since the bumper got ripped off of it, we'll have to build the bumper for it. See how that goes. We'll get this baby mounted up and see if get this fairlead switched out. Go from there. So we're gonna try a rope. I don't use a lot of rope, but it's all right. We'll get it figured out. See how it works, if you know what I mean.
That put you all red on the drum, and the red's just barely coming out your fairway.
Down to like the last 5 wraps.
All right.
Then we'll rerun it from there.
Was cool.
Yeah, kind of yellow I use right there.
Better with tension on it. That makes it. All right, well, we are on the road again. We're already here. That was a fast trip, but we're over here to get Joan's little Jeep. Apparently it had a little come apart the other day. So we're gonna get it loaded and get it back to Jeremy at Eminence Off-Road in St. George. So when a friend calls for help, you just get up the road and go get them taken care of. So we'll get her loaded here real quick and see where we end up. set you down, then I don't have to drag you over the... Now turn that way a little bit, Joan. That's just beautiful right there.